In today's video, I'm going to teach you to use an American Express gift card on PayPal. By the end, you'll know exactly how to register your card, link it in PayPal, and choose it at checkout so your payment goes through smoothly. First, start on the American Express gift card website. This is important because PayPal verifies card details against a billing address, and most gift cards don't come pre-registered with one. Follow the prompts to register your card and add a billing address or at least a zip code. Use an address you can remember because you'll need to keep it consistent when you add the card to PayPal. While you're there, check your available balance. That number matters because your gift card has to cover the full cost of any purchase you make with it through PayPal. Next, log into your PayPal account on the web or in the app. Once you're in, go to your wallet. This is where your payment methods live. Look for the option that says Link a Card and select it. Now enter your American Express gift card details exactly as they appear on the card, the full card number, the expiration date, and the security code. If you see a field for the billing address, enter the same address or zip code you registered on the American Express site. Consistency here helps pass the address verification check. In some cases, PayPal might place a small temporary authorization to confirm the card. This isn't a charge and usually drops off automatically. Once the card is added, you're ready to use it. At checkout with PayPal, choose your American Express gift card as the payment method. Before you confirm, double-check that your gift card balance fully covers the total, including taxes, shipping, or any fees. PayPal typically doesn't allow split payments across a gift card and another funding source in a single transaction, so partial payments with the gift card won't work. A couple of important notes to keep in mind. Your gift card must have enough funds to cover the entire purchase, or the transaction will be declined. Also, not every PayPal transaction type accepts prepaid American Express cards. Some purchases, subscriptions, or person-to-person payments may be restricted depending on the merchant or PayPal's policies. If something doesn't go through, verify the registered zip code, confirm your remaining balance, and try again. Many declines come down to a mismatch in the address or not quite enough funds after a small temporary hold. And that's it. Register your card, link it in your PayPal wallet, and select it at checkout. You're all set to use your American Express gift card on PayPal.